I'm Jim Sleigh. I'm one of the project pilots at Thales Avionics, and we're here with our AS350 B2 T-Bird test and demonstration helicopter. So this is our demonstration helicopter for a lot of our avionics and technologies that we're marketing into the US military and commercial markets. So the aircraft's been modified with a completely custom cockpit, putting in two of our 15-inch displays, a 4-axis autopilot that we've FCC'd for the AS350. And it's also equipped for our helmet-mounted displays, both our development helmet-mounted displays and our current production helmet-mounted displays. In addition to the cockpit, we've outfitted the aircraft with a full flight test system. This allows us to basically have a flying test bench for doing development and rapid prototyping of software, of products, whatever. We can integrate new tech very simply, either by putting it in the existing computers that are on board or installing new computers. The other aspect of this system is its connectivity. So we call it a connected and collaborative development platform. And that's a lot of words basically to say that we have internet connectivity while we're flying through a secure encrypted data link. Our engineers all over the world can connect to the aircraft, see what's going on. They can see us on cameras, they can talk to us on the intercom, and they can see their software working. They can make changes while we're flying, so we can reduce that fly, fix, fly cycle down to a matter of minutes rather than days or hours. Yeah. This project came along as a follow-on to an autopilot project that we did with this helicopter. And it was such a success that we decided to expand the scope on the helicopter and put a bunch of avionics on it and use it for that purpose. Thales is a great company in terms of technology and products, but we're not a helicopter operator. Obviously, we can do flight tests, we can fly, we can do all that, but we don't have any maintainers on staff, and we don't have a facility in the company. So partnering with PAG is really a perfect coupling for us to bring their expertise in maintaining and in modifying the aircraft for us. And so when we came here for maintenance, install a facility, and met the people, we realized it was the place we needed to be. This turns out to be a great location for us in the fact that none of us are local. So some people travel from France, some people, the rest of the team comes from all over the US. So being close to ATL is really a key aspect for us for this facility. Being able to reach out into the military operating areas, South Alabama, North Alabama, that's also very helpful for us to be located here. Like I said, the synergy of skills between our engineering and the PAG group's ability to implement things. So when we have a design change or we have we want to adapt, for instance, we're installing a new sensor and these guys are right on it to run fresh wiring and run some antennas. So stuff that would take us a long time just happens very easily and quickly. Another perfect example is we were about ready to leave for a trade show and we discovered we had missing panel covers, and these guys fabricated something else in a matter of hours. So, and we were on our way to an important trade show. So that's the type of responsiveness and quality that we get out of these guys that's just phenomenal.